have our frame here is a little bit bent. Gonna see if we can't straighten that a little bit. Is the goal for today. That's how I've got that chain set up, to see if we can bend that frame. That's definitely got going a little bit the other way. See a little bit of a curve there. This one's not as much, but back off. See how it settles. Definitely appears straighter, doesn't it? I like it. I think we can live with that. This side's hard to tell with the straight edge because it's been welded on here where the whole frame's been broken in two. I think it looks pretty good. Really hard to tell with these welds that are on this side as to how close I've got this, but I'd say that's pretty close. We're going to take our final drive, our old one that's not repaired yet, put it on here, and then a sprocket so we can align our undercarriage into the right position before we tighten it down. That's the plan. That seems not very light. Who put that there?
I'm in the way on both sides.
Ah. Yeah.
I know.
Okay,
Uh,
we're gonna move our block of wood.
yeah.
Pretty sure that's tight. Yeah, just like that. Can I trust you to swing the hammer?
Oh, it's worth, it's gonna sit.
This rock's got a slight bubble. to
That's
it.
what I thought.
We've got that in the center. But if you look, you can see it's got a little wobble to it. We just have to limit our speed, that's all. I want to tap this out just a little bit,
Yeah,
and then I think we'll mark this end.
yeah.
Then we can do this same thing on the other side. And then from there, we should be able to measure the distance from
From there.
here to the far side,
Yep.
and then match the front.
Match the front.
Really.
Yeah, you use it.
That looks better, doesn't it?
Maybe just a shade more.
Well, yeah, we went a touch more. That's pretty close.
Yeah.
So let's check with the tape. So that is 39 inches. Okay, so I'm an eighth out. So right here I got 8 1/4.
Yeah,
How's that work?
what's that?
I said I had 8 1/4 on that side, and this side I got 6 3/5/8.
8 1/4. You mean it's that far out?
Okay, I'm confused.
Hey?
So this is slightly confusing.
Mm-hmm.
We have to straighten up the undercarriage. We've got the back set, but we need to make sure, of course, that the front is going parallel for one, and also going straight ahead as opposed to on this angle or that angle. That being said, as it is right now, from the flange where the bar mounts to our clamp on this side, we have 6 5/8. So on this side, we have 8 1/4. So you would think, okay, well, this has got to go over, of course, like an inch. The other side has to go out an inch. That's not all of it. From that flange to the end of our bar, it's 22 inches on this side. And on this side, it's 21 inches. We'll figure it out. So what we determined was that the end of this bar would likely be the same on both sides, regardless of a difference in here. So that's how we've set our undercarriage, is from the end, so that from the end to our bracket on this side is the same as it is on the other side. We set the back by having the final drive on there with the sprocket, so we knew that's where it needed to be. We checked our distance from this frame to the far frame, and then made sure that our front is also set at that same distance, so both tracks are indeed running parallel. Now, guess we can tighten our clamps down. We should be good. So thanks for coming along once again, seeing this slowly come together.